Okay, so today in class we're starting our second unit. We're going to first look at this term called what is a relation. Okay. So in this unit we're looking at a specific type of relation, but we're going to first start off what is a relation. So in the middle of my diagram I'm going to draw relation. Okay, I would make sure you're having this down in your notes. So a relation is a set of pairs of input and output values. And so this is really kind of a set of ordered pairs. Okay, so we kind of looked at the last class, one example of a relation. Today we're going to look at the three other type of relations. So the characteristic are there are multiple ways to represent a relation. Okay, and so we're going to look at a couple. So one is ordered pairs. 2, table. 3, points on a graph. And the fourth one is a mapping diagram. Okay? So if you're thinking of some examples of a relation, we can think of it like this. So I might see an example as 4, 7, 0, 2, -3, -1, 1, -2. That would be one example of a relation. Another example would be a table. I could use a table. So x, y. So I could say 4, 7, 0, 2, -3, 1. Okay. And then some non-examples of relations. So 2x plus 7 is not a relation. That is an expression. And then another example would be 3x minus 4 is less than 1, which is an inequality. Okay? So throughout the rest of this asynchronous time, we're going to look at this idea of what is a relation. So that in class we can start to build in on a specific form of a relation called a function.